Welcome to the University of Central Missouri. To help you get started smoothly, we need to check a few important documents. Step 1. Log into the computer. Use your UCM username. Step 2. Go to the orientation portal. Log in with the personal email you used to apply to UCM, not your UCM email. Step 3. Upload required documents. Upload photos or PDFs of the following documents: passport, visa, signed I-20, and your I-94. If you don't have these as PDFs or photos, simply take pictures with your phone. Email them to yourself, save them to your computer, and upload them to the portal. To get your I-94, visit the I-94 official website, click Get the most recent I-94 at the top, and fill in your details. Once your I-94 appears, click Print at the bottom right and save it as a PDF to upload. Remember, you won't have an I-94 until you enter the United States. If you're currently uploading your documents from outside the US, don't worry if you can't provide this yet. Just make sure to update it once you arrive. Step 4. Update your US address, phone number, and emergency contact in both the orientation portal and MyCentral. When entering your US address, be sure to format it correctly. To update your information, log into MyCentral and go to the tab under Personal Information. Select Update Address, Phone, Email, and Emergency Contacts. Enter your phone number and local address details, making sure everything is accurate. For those of you living in on-campus housing, you don't need to enter your housing address. The housing office will take care of that for you. Instead, just provide a phone number when completing your information. As for your emergency contact, this can be a friend or even someone living in another US state. It doesn't have to be someone local. Step 5. Submit your transcripts. If you're a degree-seeking student, make sure to send us your official transcripts from your previous school. That's it! Once you've completed all the steps, you'll be ready to start your journey at UCM.